Beneath our feet and inside our walls lies a hidden world: steel pipes. These aren't just metal tubes, they're the arteries of modern civilization, carrying water, gas, and oil, and forming the skeletons of skyscrapers and roller coasters. All of it starts in a place of fire and engineering, the steel pipe factory. Here, raw metal is transformed into something essential. Today we'll journey inside to see how these workhorses are born. It's a process of extreme heat, pressure, and precision. Making a pipe is far more complex than rolling up metal, it's a feat of engineering. The men and women in these factories are unsung heroes, wrestling with molten steel and massive machines to ensure every pipe is strong and safe. Without their work, our daily lives would grind to a halt. So, what does it take to turn scrap metal into a super strong steel pipe? We'll follow the journey from raw ingredients to finished product, witnessing the transformation step by fiery step. Get ready to see how the pipes that build our world come to life. Steel pipes begin with scrap metal: old cars, demolished buildings, and discarded appliances. Huge cranes with electromagnets gather tons of twisted metal, the first step in creating something new and strong. But it's not just scrap. Iron ore and coke are added to get the perfect steel recipe. Iron ore, rich in iron, is the main ingredient, while coke fuels the process and drives the chemical reaction. The ingredients are carefully measured. Too much or too little of any one changes the steel's properties. The scrap is sorted and shredded for even melting, while iron ore and coke are precisely weighed. Every batch must be perfect. There's no room for error when pipes must withstand extreme conditions. Think of the factory as a giant kitchen, with workers as chefs preparing the perfect steel dough. Once the ingredients are ready, they're brought together for the main event, the furnace. The clang and crash of the scrapyard is just the opening act. Soon, these raw materials will face the fire. The transformation from junk to high-strength steel is about to begin. It's recycling on an industrial scale with a powerful purpose. Next stop, the furnace. The raw materials are loaded into a massive furnace, either a basic oxygen furnace or an electric arc furnace. In the electric arc furnace, giant electrodes unleash enough electricity to melt steel into a glowing liquid. Temperatures soar above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than volcanic lava. Metallurgists test the molten steel, adding alloys like manganese or chromium for strength and durability. Once perfected, the furnace tilts, pouring liquid steel into a ladle lined with heat-resistant bricks. The ladle transports the molten metal to continuous casting, where it's poured into a water-cooled mold. The steel solidifies into a round billet or rectangular slab, drawn out and cut to length. These billets are the starting point for every pipe. Still glowing red-hot, they're ready for shaping. The journey from liquid fire to solid form is a dance of heat and precision. Every step is crucial for the final product's strength. The billets are now the heart of the pipe, awaiting transformation. Next, we'll see how a solid billet becomes a seamless tube. The real shaping begins now. Creating a seamless pipe is an engineering marvel. It starts with a solid steel billet, reheated until it's glowing and malleable. The billet enters a rotary piercer, spinning rapidly between rollers. A pointed mandrel punches through the center, forming a hollow shell. This rough tube isn't finished, the walls are uneven and the diameter isn't precise. The shell moves through a plug or mandrel mill, where rollers stretch and thin the walls while a mandrel controls the inner diameter. The pipe is further refined in a sizing mill for exact dimensions and roundness. The seamless method produces pipes with exceptional strength and uniformity. These pipes are ideal for high-pressure uses like oil, gas, and hydraulics. It's a blend of brute force and fine control. From solid billet to seamless tube, the transformation is both dramatic and precise. The result? A pipe with no seams, ready for the toughest jobs. Next, we'll see how welded pipes are made. Not all pipes are seamless. Many are made by welding. This process starts with a flat steel coil, unwound and cut to the right width. The steel ribbon is shaped by rollers into a U, then an O, until the edges meet. The edges are joined by electric resistance welding, ERW, where electric current melts the steel and rollers forge a solid seam. No extra metal is added, the pipe is welded from its own material. After welding, excess metal is trimmed for a smooth finish. The result is a strong, reliable pipe from a flat sheet. Welded pipes are versatile, used in construction, fencing, and water transport. While seamless pipes handle high pressure, welded pipes are the everyday workhorses. Both methods require precision and skill. The choice depends on the job's demands. Next, we'll see how these pipes are made even stronger. Enter heat treatment. Pipes, whether seamless or welded, need strength and durability. Heat treatment is the answer, a controlled process that transforms the steel's internal structure. Pipes are heated in a furnace to a specific temperature, allowing the grain structure to become uniform and stable. This relieves internal stresses and toughens the steel. Some pipes cool slowly in air, others are quenched in water or oil for rapid hardening. Quenching makes steel hard but brittle, so pipes are tempered, reheated at a lower temperature to restore toughness. The result is a perfect balance of strength and flexibility. Heat treatment is the final trial by fire. Only after this are pipes ready for the real world. The process ensures every pipe can handle the pressures it will face. Next, we test their ultimate toughness. Before leaving the factory, every pipe faces rigorous testing. Inspectors check for surface flaws and measure dimensions with precision. The hydrostatic test fills the pipe with water and pressurizes it far beyond normal use. Any leaks or bulges mean failure. Sample pipes undergo destructive tests. Tensile tests pull them apart, flattening tests squeeze them flat, all to ensure strength and weld quality. Non-destructive testing uses ultrasound and X-rays to find hidden flaws without damaging the pipe. Only pipes that pass every test are certified for use. Quality control is relentless. There's no room for good enough. These tests guarantee safety, reliability, and performance. Pipes that pass are ready for the next step. The journey isn't over yet. Now it's time for protection and preparation. Let's see how pipes are finished for the field. Pipes need protection before they leave the factory. Most receive a coating, varnish, paint, or advanced multi-layer systems to guard against rust and corrosion. For harsh environments, coatings include epoxy, adhesive, and polyethylene for maximum durability. Each pipe is marked with key information: manufacturer, size, grade, method, and batch number. This ensures traceability and quality control. Pipes are bundled or shipped individually, with plastic caps protecting the ends. Cranes load them onto trucks, trains, or ships for delivery worldwide. Every step ensures the pipe arrives ready for its job. From factory floor to the field, preparation is everything. Now let's follow the pipes to their final destinations. The journey from scrap to steel pipe is complete. Each pipe is a product of fire, force, and human skill. These pipes become the backbone of our cities, delivering water, gas, and oil, supporting skyscrapers and connecting the world. Some are buried deep, others rise high in city skylines or form the framework of bridges and stadiums. They're everywhere, yet often unseen, silent heroes of modern life. Next time you see a construction site or turn on your faucet, remember the story behind the steel pipe. It's a tale of transformation, precision, and hard work. The steel pipe is more than metal. It's the foundation of our world. From recycled scrap to essential infrastructure, its journey is remarkable. The unsung heroes who make them deserve our respect. Steel pipes, building the world, one fiery step at a time.